making homemade cinnamon rolls. We've started with 2 tablespoons of yeast. The girls are going to add 1.5 cups of warm milk.
I can do on flour. Oh, yeah. I need to
Here, Maggie. 3/4 cup of sugar.
Okay.
Put that in.
1, 2, all of them. Hey, Daddy.
And then Violet, 1.5 cups of water.
Can I do the help get the water?
You can do the salt.
Yeah, I can do the salt.
Yeah.
Yay!
Do 1 tablespoon of salt.
Spot. Also spot. But you make me fall. But you make me
Girls,
fall.
you'll be okay.
But I'm about 6 spots.
No. Okay, here, Maggie.
Okay.
Put the salt in.
Careful.
Good job.
Hey, Dad, next time can I do all by myself?
Sure.
Okay.
So now,
To mix. Like, Daddy?
yeah, we got to mix.
Yep.
You just let that mix for a minute.
Okay. That's so good. Daddy, is that so good?
Yeah.
We will try it. It's so
We
mixed.
got that mix.
We got mix.
Put in 3 cups of flour.
Like, can I do it?
Hold on.
Oh, it'll be like that will be nice.
Maggie, put in 1.
No, I can do it.
Put it in.
Wow. If you can Violet, like if it's
Well, Violet, put in 1.
that's so big. That was satisfying. Now you can Daddy.
Oh, Daddy's turn now?
And now Daddy's
Okay, now
turn.
Daddy's turn. So we're going to put in 3 cups of flour. Now we got to mix it till it's smooth.
So we can. Dad, can we make chocolate?
You want a chocolate cinnamon roll?
No. I don't. It's special.
We're going to put in 1 more cup of flour.
That'll be my turn. No, it'll be my turn. It'll be my turn.
No, it's Maggie's turn, Violet.
Oh.
Maggie's
I can
turn.
do it. No, I can do it,
Here,
Daddy.
put it down right
No,
here.
I can do
there,
it.
there.
You got on your hand.
Alrighty.
I got it on my hand.
That's okay. Push this down. And let's get this mixing.
Just wipe it.
Yep, just wipe it.
You make me want to stop it.
Got ladies. Straight the sides down.
Just so fast. Like you really.
Alrighty. Now we gotta let it sit for a little bit until it starts to rise and bubble. I'll tell you girls when it's time, okay? Come on. So we'll be back.
Daddy is good.
Okay, I'll clean it.
I'm gonna be here.
Now we gotta let it set until it starts to rise up and bubble. We have let the dough set for 30 minutes. To get a proof, so far we've put 4 cups of flour, and now we're going to add another 3.
And it'll be my turn.
No, it's Violet's turn. You did the last one.
Oh. Come on, can I do it,
Here's
Daddy?
Violet's. You get the next one.
Okay. That'll be so big.
1.
That'll be so big.
Yeah.
Like, can I touch the flour?
This one's for Maggie.
I'll touch
Put it in.
It's so good.
Yeah.
But it just...
Pour it in.
It just smell like a...
I want to touch it.
That's
too soft.
That's soft.
Yeah, alright. Now Daddy will put this one in.
Yeah, Daddy.
3.
Now, why did you have a camel?
Because we're filming it.
Are you ready to mix? Let's mix. That's so big. Why are you doing that?
Daddy's going to use the thing to bring it down so it makes it easier to mix.
Are you ready to mix?
Hush, Shelby.
Did you love the camel?
Yeah.
Did you buy it?
Yeah.
Oh, what did you buy it at, Daddy?
The store.
The store? Oh.
Now, after this mixes, we might have to add more, so we got to keep watching.
And then it'll be my turn.
Mm-hmm.
Next time Ballot will be Ballot. No, that's so big. That is so big.
Yeah.
It's so big. That's so fast. Oh my god.
We need another half a cup of flour.
So it's Maggie's turn?
It's Maggie's turn. Add that, Maggie.
Yeah. That can just touch
No,
you.
just add it.
Okay. Thank you, Daddy. Now it's Ballot. Now it'll be Ballot too.
No, that should get it.
Yeah, that's all of it. That's so big. That is so big. Can you come up? Like that. That's so really fast. That's
So we want to get the dough where it pulls all the dough off the side and it's not as sticky as it was. And now it cleans the bowl as it mixes. See how it's cleaning the bowl as it's mixing?
It's kind of looks like it's a little man in there and it's taking the dough.
We got to get it off the hook. It's still really super sticky.
Can I try?
No,
No?
no.
Because it's sticky.
Mm-hmm.
It's very, very sticky.
It's really, really sticky.
Wash your hands. Alright, girls, go watch TV. I'll let you know when it's time to get back in here. So this puts us at 8 cups of flour now. The flour I'm using is King Midas Special. I got it from the Amish store. I got 50 pounds for $25, so. Still just a little too sticky. dough to where it gets the cleans the side of the bowl. Kind of got that consistency of chewed bubble gum. I always get my hands wet for this. Pull it up and start shaping it. Kind of working it so we get it good in shape like that. Now we're going to cover it and put it in the oven on breadproof setting. So we are getting ready to start rolling out our dough. We got to make our filling. It proofed for about an hour on breadproof in the oven. We'll start with 2 sticks of butter, getting them melted. I will use brown sugar and cinnamon. Old brown sugar left I need to get rid of. Here's what the dough looked like after it's set in the oven for a couple hours. Springy, bounces back, so we'll have one more proof after we get it rolled out. Outside of the butter, I don't have a set measurement. Just kind of play this one by ear. I do use a whole thing of cinnamon. You don't have to use your hands. I always like to use my hands so I can get it pushed around more. And I come in with something like a spoon or a butter knife. Looks like after it's proofed for an hour. And here we go, finished product. Just getting ready to put the whipped cream on, or the buttercream. 1 stick of butter, 1 bag of powdered sugar, 2 things of cream cheese. Finished product.
Out here, it's more than just the water, the woods, and the quiet. It's a reminder of who created it all. The heavens declare the glory of God, and the sky above proclaims his handiwork. Every paddle stroke, every sunrise, every moment in the wild points back to him. This is why we do what we do. Follow along with Paddlin the Bluegrass as we chase adventure, faith, and family in the great outdoors.